the government has a secret fund just for military people. They don't tell anybody about it, but I'm letting you in on a secret. You have to be quiet, keep it on the down low. Because if you want that money, all I need is your social security number and whatever else that's going to help me scam you out of your finances. That's how it goes. Our military personnel are brave for going out there in the combat zone or even doing whatever is associated with intelligence to be able to protect us. But they're often taken advantage of, whether they're still deployed or when they come back home. At the Financial Management for Deployed Military Workshop, we educate those who are in the military and even their families to recognize the signs of things that are going to really be a negative in their financial life. We have the goal of making it much more of a positive for our military personnel and anyone else who needs financial services support to be able to go into the future with a real strategic game plan in hand. Thanks for watching. A registration link is in the video description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow us on social media, and share with a friend.